Harbor Freight just dropped their latest round of instant savings, and there are at least 2 items marked down by nearly 50% if you play your cards right. But here's the kicker: not every deal is a winner. We're talking 5% off here, 9% there, basically pocket change. If you don't know what to look for, you're just throwing money away on stuff that honestly isn't worth the shelf space. I've combed through the entire list, trashed the bait deals, and kept only the stuff that's actually worth your hard-earned cash. And a few of these, after stacking some discounts, the price gets so stupidly low that if you miss out, you probably won't see it again for a long time. If you're planning to grab anything at Harbor Freight this month, hit the brakes. Watch this entire video first because you might just save half your budget just by picking the right items. Let's dive right in. Listen, I'm giving it to you straight as someone who's been hauling Harbor Freight gear for over a decade. These instant savings events are not all created equal. Some rounds look packed with deals, but in reality, only a handful are actually worth pulling the trigger on. This sale runs until early June, but don't let that deadline fool you. The good stuff, especially the deep discounts or the stackables, doesn't hang around until the final whistle. They either sell out or get scooped up by the early birds. And here is a mistake I see all the time: people walk into the store, see a sale sign, and toss it in the cart. But after years of DIYing, fixing junk, and building out my garage, I'm telling you, a discount doesn't always mean a deal. So I've done the homework for you. What's worth it, what's just bait, and most importantly, what you need to grab before someone else beats you to it. If you want to get exactly what you need without paying a sucker tax, you'll want to see what's coming up next. Alright, no more gatekeeping. This first item is the whole reason I fired up the camera today. Check this out: the Hallmaster 4-pack ratcheting tie-downs. I swear, if you own a truck or go camping, you need at least 2 sets of these in your bed at all times. Let's be real, if you've looked at those Rhino or Husky sets at Home Depot, you're usually staring at $25 to $40 for a similar pack. This one, it's 31% off, down from about $16. And if you time it right with extra perks, you can snag it for $7. $7 for 4 straps. Do the math, guys. This is what we in the DIY community call a no-brainer. Technical specs for the nerds: these have a 500-pound load capacity and are 1 inch wide. Sounds a bit dry, but in the real world that means you can strap down your mower secure gear in your truck or even move furniture without worrying about it flying off mid-highway. I actually used a similar set to haul a mountain of IKEA boxes, and yeah, it saved me from a very embarrassing gear all over the street moment in front of my wife and kids. What I love about this specific line is that the ratchet mechanism feels solid. It's not that flimsy, loose crap you find in the bargain bin. It's not top-tier professional grade, but honestly, it does 90% of the work for 20% of the price. This is the kind of thing you don't buy because you need it today. You buy it so you have it when you do. And trust me, when you need a strap and don't have one, you'll be wishing you jumped on this. If you think this deal is a win, smash that like button and drop a comment, letting me know what you'd use these for hauling, camping, or saving yourself from a disaster like I did. All right, if that was just the warm-up, the next one is a whole different level of awesome. All right, if those tie-downs got you hyped, this second deal is what I call a total no-brainer, as in you don't even need to use your brain to know you're winning. Now check this out, we're talking about Hardy genuine leather work gloves. Usually the price is already ridiculously cheap, hovering around $5.49. But during this April 2026 instant savings event, if you stack those discounts like I've been showing you, that price is going to plummet straight down to $3.29. You heard me right, $3.29 for a pair of legit cowhide leather gloves. Let me give you a quick reality check so you can wake up. You walk into Lowe's or Home Depot, grab a pair of Firm Grip or Wells Lamont with the same materials, and that receipt is never coming out under $12 or $15. That means for the price of one pair over there, you can haul 4 pairs from Harbor Freight and be set for the entire year. I've personally used these to clear out a pile of jagged bricks in my backyard, and even for lugging around sharp sheet metal while fixing my sister's roof. This hardy cowhide is thick enough to protect you, but soft enough that you can actually feel your nuts and bolts. It's not stiff like those cheap rubber gloves. Plus, it's got that elastic wrist cuff to keep the dirt and sawdust from crawling inside while you're working. I actually handed a pair to my son when he was trying to build a doghouse. He treated them like absolute garbage and they still held up. At $3, you can beat them to death and just toss them for a new pair without feeling a single sting in your wallet. This is peak smart spending, guys. By the way, if you find these deal hunting tips helpful for your bank account, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I don't want you missing any blind spots from these big tool brands. Have you guys ever snagged something at Harbor Freight so cheap you actually felt a little guilty for the store? Comment your shocking prices down below and let me know. But don't go anywhere just yet because the gloves are just the beginning. Coming up next, I'm taking you through a matrix of what I call the must-grab group, the kind of stuff you'll want to buy the whole combo of right here, right now. All right, folks, buckle up because we're heading into a speed round with what I call the easy picks. These are the items where you don't need a family meeting, you don't need to check in with the wife, you just see it and throw it in your cart. The prices on these are honestly just stupid low. First up, take a look at this Voyager 12-inch tool bag. You heard that right, a bag with 21 pockets to keep your life organized. From pliers and hammers to flatheads, everything gets its own designated seat. Usually $8 is already a steal, but this April it's dropping to just $5. That's a massive 37% off. This is the textbook. Easy buy. Tell you what I own, 3 of these, one for indoor electrical stuff, one in the back of the truck for emergency gear, and the third one I gave it to the kids to store their Lego sets. The canvas is heavy duty, has that nice rugged feel, and the zipper is smooth as butter, none of that snagging you get with cheap swap meat bags. Compared to a similar Milwaukee bag that'll run you $25 to $30, this Voyager is a perfect alternative that leaves you with enough leftover cash for a few rounds of beer. Next, an item I bet 99% of you mechanics have lost at least once in your life, the Pittsburgh 36-piece hex key set. Man, 36 pieces covering everything from SAE to metric, and this time around, it's only $7. You're not dreaming $7 for 3 dozen tools. This is truly a buy once use for life deal, well assuming you don't lose them. Instead of dropping $20 on a fancy Bondhus set, this Pittsburgh kit will handle every stubborn bolt in your machinery or IKEA furniture just fine. The steel is heat-treated and solid. It's not going to strip out on you easily. Trust me, buy this, toss it in the corner of your shop, and the moment you need that one weird-sized hex key and actually have it in your hand, you'll realize that $7 was the smartest investment in history. And to wrap up this round, we've got a pocket-sized superstar, the Gordon folding utility knife. Look at this brushed stainless steel finish. It looks as high-end as those $50 EDC knives. But at Harbor Freight this April, it's $5. That is an insane bargain for a folder with a quick change blade mechanism. I always have one clipped to my pocket when I'm out pruning the garden or slicing through my wife's Amazon boxes. It's sturdy, has a nice weight to it, and that click when you flick it open, purely addictive. This is the easiest yes on the list. Buy it to use. Buy it as a gift for your buddy, or buy it just because it looks cool. It's $5, guys. No brainer all day. How are we feeling about these easy picks? Any of these making you want to do a store run right now, smash that like button. If you're a tool hoarder like me, who loves these small but mighty finds, and don't forget to drop a comment out of these 3, which one is the king of the under $10 category. But save your energy because we're about to shift gears. We're moving past the pocket change and heading into the high-value deals, the big-ticket items that need a bit more thought, but when they go on sale, the discounts are absolutely jaw-dropping. Next up, let's see which heavy hitters are hitting the shelves in our high-value Think Twice section. Now we're moving away from the pocket change to talk about some real investments. This is the high-value Think Twice group. I call it that because you should actually think before swiping your card, not because the deals aren't great, but because you should only haul these home if you actually have a use for them. First up, take a look at this paint-slinging beast, the Avanti H VLP paint sprayer. It's dropping from about $70 to $50, that's 28% off. It's not the deepest cut I've ever seen, but for a handheld HVLP, this is a very solid entry point. Quick breakdown. HVLP stands for high volume, low pressure. In plain English, it sprays a lot of paint at low pressure, which means less overspray, less wasted paint, and a much smoother finish. In the real world, that means you can paint cabinets, fences, or doors without looking like you set off a paint bomb in your driveway. Compared to those mid-range Wagners or Gracos, this Avanti isn't exactly pro-level, but let's be real, it delivers about 80% of the quality for nearly 50% of the price. I once used a similar model to refinish some wooden shelves in the garage, and for the first time ever, my wife didn't complain about me making a mess of the yard. The finish was surprisingly even no streaks like you'd get with a brush. If you've got a DIY project on the horizon, repainting furniture, doing the fence, or just looking to upgrade from a brush to a machine, $50 is a sweet spot. But if you're just buying it to, well, have it, I'll tell you straight, it's not worth it. Next up is one for the off-grid crowd or anyone obsessed with clean energy, the Thunderbolt 100-watt solar panel. This month, Harbor Freight is pushing the price down under the $100 mark. Now let me be clear, so nobody says I'm overhyping this. This isn't the lowest price in history. Black Friday might shave off a few more bucks, but for April 2026, it's still a killer deal. 100 watts is plenty to top off a portable power station run. Some fans keep the lights on or keep your phones juiced up while camping with the family. This panel has a rugged aluminum frame that can actually handle the elements. I took this thing camping up in the mountains once. It rained on and off and the thing just kept chugging along like a champ. Compared to dropping $180 or $200 on those fancy Jackery or Renegade panels, this Thunderbolt is a total power move for your budget. If you're still with me, drop a comment. Are you more into DIY painting or solar/electrical setups? And don't you dare close that tab yet, because I've still got a list of essential fillers to round out your toolbox in the next section. Alright guys, to make this video truly worth your time and help you optimize your next Harbor Freight run, I'm going to do a quick sweep of what I call garage spices. These are the accessories, the little things that are actually huge. They round out your tool collection without burning a hole in your pocket. First up, look at this moving blanket, only $3.79. Honestly, it's so cheap I'm tempted to hoard a whole stack. And don't think these are just for moving furniture. For a guy who's always crawling around like me, this blanket is a multi-purpose lifesaver. Throw it under the car when you're doing an oil change to save your back, drape it over your bike to keep the dust off, or line your trunk when you're hauling bags of mulch for the wife's garden. Compared to those paper-thin blankets you find at flea markets, this Harbor Freight version is thick and has that solid cross-stitching. Grab 2 or 3 and toss them in the garage. At under $4, it's the cheapest backup plan you'll ever find. Next is the Starbit socket set. This month, it's sitting under $10. If you've ever tried to assemble IKEA furniture work on your car or deal with those annoying Torx bolts, you know the feeling. If you don't have the right bit, you're dead in the water. This set usually packs about 9 common sizes. Real-world translation, you can handle everything from tiny household screws to actual car parts without having to go beg your neighbor for tools. Look, compared to Craftsman or Husky, the finish isn't as pretty, but for under $10, I'll give it to you straight. It gets the job done for 90% of home repairs. I keep a set specifically for those problem bolts, the kind you don't use every day, but when you need them and don't have them, it's infuriating. It's a low-use item that becomes priceless the second you need it. And finally, in this group, we've got the 100-foot air hose. It's currently 22% off. If you're setting up your garage or you're just tired of lugging your air compressor all over the place, this is your fix. 100 feet is plenty to run air from your shop all the way to the driveway to fill up tires or blow out dust. This material is pretty flexible, handles high pressure, and stays durable even under the sun. Instead of dropping a fortune on a Tecton or Flexzilla hose, this Harbor Freight deal is a solid way to complete your air system on a budget. Now, compared to the high-end brands like Flexzilla, it's not as silky smooth, but for the price, it's a great entry-level setup. I use a similar one for tire inflators, blowguns, and nailers, and the best part, I'm not wrestling with the hose every time I use it. What do you guys think of this spice list? Is it enough to fill up that toolbox yet? If you found this breakdown helpful and it saved you some serious cash, be generous. Hit that like button and smash subscribe. But wait a second, I've been talking about the good stuff all day. Now I've got to play the bad guy for a minute. Just because it has a red sale tag doesn't mean it's gold. Up next, I'm debunking the worst deals of April so you don't get scammed out of your hard-earned money. All right, now for the part, I know many of you have been waiting for the stuff I'm skipping even if it has a massive sale tag on it. Sounds a bit backward, right? But trust me, after over a decade of hauling Harbor Freight gear, I've learned one thing. Saving money isn't about buying what's on sale. It's about not buying what's not worth it. First, stay sharp and don't fall for those discounts that are only 5% to 9% off. You heard me right, there are bit sets and plastic clamps out there that are only marked down by what, a few cents? Seriously, don't waste your gas driving to the store for a 5% deal. That's not a saving, that's a sucker's bet. Take those basic old-gen cordless drills, for example. They'll shave off a couple of bucks just to clear out the warehouse for the newer Hercules or Bauer lines. If you buy those just because they're on sale, you're basically throwing your money out the window. Next up, the stuff that looks tempting, but the discount isn't deep enough. We're talking about those big-ticket tools with a 9 to 10% discount. It sounds okay on paper, but in reality, these items usually get much deeper cuts during major holidays. I've been burned before I bought a tool because I saw a small discount, and guess what? 2 months later, it was nearly half off. The lesson here, if you don't need it right this second, wait. Harbor Freight is famous for repeating deals, and usually the next one is better. Also, avoid those bottom-of-the-barrel consumables like the dirt-cheap hacksaw blades. The price is low, sure, but the quality? Man, don't get me started. I remember trying to save a few bucks on a sale set to cut a pipe for my neighbor. Long story short, the blade snapped, the pipe was barely scratched, and I was losing my mind over the wasted time. For stuff like that, even if it's on sale, my advice is skip it. Save that cash for the 20 to 30% off deals I mentioned earlier. And look, if you already have something similar at home and just want to upgrade because it's slightly marked down, I'll be straight with you, don't. A 10% discount on something you don't actually need is still 100% of the cost. I know I'm being a bit of a buzzkill here, but honestly, this is how you actually save money when deal hunting. It's not about buying more, it's about filtering better. I'm not making this video to shill for Harbor Freight. I'm doing this so we, the real DIYers, don't get scammed. I'd rather you walk out empty-handed than carry home a piece of junk just because of a 5% off sticker. Am I right or am I right? Have any of you ever been burned by chasing these tiny bait deals? Go ahead and vent in the comments so others can avoid the same traps. Alright, if you only remember 3 items worth your cash from this entire video, here's the quick recap. Haulmaster 4-pack ratcheting tie-downs. The strongest deal, potentially nearly 50% off if you play it right. Hardy leather work gloves. $3 and some change for real leather, that's an instant win. Voyager tool bag, $5. It's handy, rugged, and you'll use it every single day. These are the 3 that hit the sweet spot of price and utility, no regrets guaranteed. If this video helped you save some actual cash and dodge the trash deals, please hit that like button to let me know. And if you're the type of person who likes to hunt deals, smart build your garage one step at a time and buy less but use it more. Subscribe. I'll keep filtering the best deals for you every time Harbor Freight or anyone else drops a new promo. Quick disclaimer, all the deals in this video are based on the info available at the time of filming. Prices change, stock runs out, and some perks might not apply everywhere. At the end of the day, whether a deal is worth it depends on you. Only buy it if you truly need it and you're actually going to use it. Don't buy just because it's on sale, because the best deal is the one you didn't have to buy. If you made it this far, comment below and let me know which item are you grabbing first. I'll see you in the next one with even better deals.